Hi there, and for this video, we're going to show you how to withdraw your money from Fiverr to your bank account. Now for those who may have gotten confused, if you go to your profile on the top right and we can see billing and payments, if you go there and we go to the payment methods, if we add a payment method, it will not show us a way to connect to our bank. Now you might think that the only way to do this is to go through PayPal and then from PayPal to your bank. However, that's not the case. What we actually have to do is go over to the top onto My Business, go to Earnings, and once here, as we can see, Add Payout Method, click on that, and here we can see Bank Transfer. And you can see that it is powered by Payoneer. Now, I cannot withdraw to my local currency directly to my bank. We only have 3 currencies here, so you might want to keep that in mind. Again, there are fees upon fees every time we transfer. My advice is just to be strategic with your withdrawals. However, this is how we withdraw directly to our bank. Now, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, maybe leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new tips. Thank you, and see you again next time.